Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have two special guests with me. It's Kisha and but they're gonna try snacks that I grew up with, basically. They're gonna try ole ole. They're basically
sabor a vanilla.
Marshmallow, and then
It's marshmallow.
it's covered in some chocolate.
We used to have these back in India.
They
used to be like this big.
They taste like the little clowns that they would have in Mexico on the sticks, you know?
The payaso ones?
I give it like a 7.
Good 5.
Savory. These are corn.
Chile
Dame la
picante.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Can I take the whole pack home? 9 out of 10.
I would give it like an 8 out of 10.
That's good.
Oh, I got it!
But next is batimix. If you know, you know. So this is what batimix looks like. It's just yogurt with like chocolate balls.
Oh my god, it kind of looks like tapioca.
Oh.
You good? No.
I would give it like a 4.
It tastes like the Chobani yogurts. 7. Because I really like those.
This is a different batimix, but with
Is that cornflakes?
cornflakes, yeah.
I give that one like a 4.5.
I'd give it like a 2.
Marshmallows. Peru style.
Peru style. Peru style. Wow.
I would give that like a good 5.
That one would be like a 4 for me.
Sublime.
Sublime.
I'll give that like a 9.
Ooh, this is picaras.
What's the flavor of the cookie?
La clásica.
Oh! Honestly, I know it's your favorite.
You don't have to like it if you don't like it.
Just be honest, not nice.
Yeah, be honest.
I'd give it like a 3. It's not my, I don't know. I mean, yeah, it's good. It's just like a little cookie.
I like it. I give it a 9.
Doña Pepa. Is what they look like.
They're so cute. Wait.
I like this part.
I would rate that like 8.
8.
Because it was good.
Solid 8. God,
These are called cheese trees.
Cheeto. These are actually better than Cheetos.
That's
10
pretty
out of
good.
10.
Carinto.
What is it, a peanut?
No, they're not spicy at all. For me, they're not, but they're really good.
Oh no!
I would give that like a 6.
That one I would do like a 5.
Triángulo.
Triangular. Triangular.
That's not a triangle, you stupid. That's a trapezoid.
That's a trapezoid. Oh my god.
Rate it.
Good chocolate. 6.
7 and a half.
Tortis.
Tortis.
They do taste like Fritos. I love Fritos,
Yeah.
so
Fritos
10 out of
are
10.
Agreed.
Spicy tortis.
Oh my god. Spicy torty. Kush kush.
They're not spicy. They taste the same.
I like the flavor. There's definitely a flavor.
The last snack is
Picaras snacks.
Yeah. There's basically Doritos, Lay's, there's like bacon chip, and then cheese trees. More cheese trees.
Cheese trees. We've tried those.
Oh,
Parece como tortilla. Oh, it's Doritos. That's
Yeah.
why.
That's good, actually. The bacon one is actually good.
Tastes like chicharron.
Yeah, like literally like chicharron.
That's what chicharron tastes like?
Basically, yeah. What do you rate picara snack?
10 out of 10.
like 10 out of 10.
Ooh.
Good. I would enjoy a lot.
This is what we usually get when there's like birthday parties. You know, like we had bowls.
Like
of,
the big
picara
bags
snacks.
and stuff?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for videos like these. And I'll see you guys in next week's video.
Bye!
Bye!